The goose is a large, water-loving bird belonging to the Anaatidae family, which also includes ducks and swans. Known for their distinctive honking calls and long migrations, geese are found in many parts of the world, especially in North America, Europe, and Asia. Characteristics. Appearance: geese typically have long necks, webbed feet, and strong, wide wings. Their feathers are usually gray, white, brown, or a combination of these colors. Size: medium to large-sized birds, often weighing between 2 to 6 kilograms, 4 to 13 pounds. Diet: geese are primarily herbivores, feeding on grass, grains, roots, and aquatic plants. Behavior: they are highly social and intelligent, often seen in flocks. They use loud honking sounds to communicate and warn each other of danger. Migration: many species of geese migrate long distances between breeding and wintering grounds, flying in the well-known V-shaped formation that conserves energy and helps navigation. Sheaf of rice habitat. Geese live near lakes, rivers, wetlands, and grassy fields. They build nests close to water and are protective of their young, often seen defending them aggressively from predators. DNA types of geese. Canada goose, recognizable by its black head and neck with a white cheek patch. Greylaggoose, the ancestor of most domestic geese. Snowgoose, mostly white with black wingtips. Barnaclegoose, small and beautifully patterned black and white plumage. Lightbulb fun facts. A group of geese on the ground is called a gaggle, but in flight, they're called a skein. Geese mate for life and are very loyal partners. Their V-shaped flight saves up to 20 to 30% of energy during migration.